I finally pulled the trigger and bought my first 3D printer, Snapmaker U1. The printers I used before have been like this one, no 3D. The Snapmaker Quick Start Guide is very detailed, one of the best I have seen so far, but it cannot replace an up-to-date YouTube video. The printer setup process is actually pretty simple. Nevertheless, I made two easy to fix mistakes which block my first print. And there is a firmware issue I had. Updating to the new version is fixing that. I don't know how many units are having this issue. Let me know if you have it. The L-marked one is being attached to the left side. There is only one way to plug the cable, you cannot make any mistakes. Plug the feeder into the slots and slide it forward to lock it. The only thing I can say is be careful with the cable. You have two sizes of filament tubes in the box. Insert the thinner 4mm ones into Toolhead. To remove it, press the round clamp down and pull it. Insert the other end into Toolhead. The number on the Toolhead feeder and on the top back of the printer must match, that's it. Do the same for all filament feeders. Install the filament holder matching to the label on the filament feeder. The two plastic pieces must show to the right and left, matching to the holes. Do not hesitate to use a little bit power. Move the toolhead swapper to the front. You will need space for the installation, and there is only one toolhead labeled. Just remove it. It's the first left toolhead. Bring it to the position means you must see the red color before inserting. You can use the hex key to change the position. Now just insert it, it should automatically set into place by magnets. For the other three toolheads, do the same. And here is my first mistake. The red color must disappear when you install the toolhead correctly. Number 2 is unfortunately still showing the red color. It's easy to fix, just pull it out and put it back again with the corrected position. There is nothing special about this step. Connect the USB cable with the tube holder to the printer. Use the M2.5x16 screws to fasten. Connect the other end of the USB cable to the toolhead, this time with the ST2.6x10 screws. The cables should not be tangled, otherwise the toolhead movement is going to be limited or you can damage the cable. This is the bigger 6mm tube. One end has a notch, the other end is smooth. Insert the smooth end without notch to the machine, the other notched end to the toolhead. Here I made my second mistake. The first one was a little bit loose and the toolhead did not get any filament to work with. Just double check and be sure it's 100% in place. Use the clips to secure the 6mm filament tubes and the USB cables together. When you are done, it should look like that. Remove the 3 screws per bracket and take them out. Additionally, you need to remove 3 more screws to enable the bed movement. Snap it in place, the holes must be on the back side. I skipped this step and I was able to finish the setup without moving the toolhead swapper manually. It's up to you. If you want to do it, please do it. Loosen the 2 screws and make 2 manual circles, and then re-tighten the 2 screws. Now you can turn the printer on. In my case, it was not possible to finish the calibration step. If you have the same issue, you need an update. To able to skip calibration step, turn off and on your printer. At the step where you choose the language, press and hold your finger on the top left side of the display for 10 to 12 seconds. Now you can update the firmware version of your printer. Just go to Settings, About and Update. After that, the calibration step will work. Now just follow the instructions on the display. It will ask you to clean the tool head, to take out the bed plate and so on. There is nothing special about it. Just cut the first 10 to 15 centimeters of the filaments, put it in place, insert the filament into the feeder and it will do the rest automatically. Click on Make Something Wonderful and select the pre-installed 3D model. Click Next. Here you can select Dynamic Flow Calibration, Heated Bed Leveling, Time-Lapse. If you want to have your print on video, activate Time-Lapse. When your print is finished, you can copy the file to your USB memory stick. And finally, this is my very first 3D print. With my zero 3D print experience, I cannot compare the quality with other printers, but it looks pretty amazing. I put my macro lens on my cam to show you the details. Thanks for watching, see you next time.